Forget manifesting your dreams. What if the real blockage isn't the universe holding you back, but the unforgiveness living in your heart? We talk so much about healing, about peace, about moving forward, but how can we truly heal if we're still chained to the past? This isn't just another self-help message filled with feel-good quotes. This is a deep, faith-filled journey into the spiritual power that sets people free. Through faith, forgiveness becomes more than just letting go. It becomes the key that unlocks healing, restoration, and purpose. When you release bitterness, you make room for blessings. When you forgive, you don't excuse what happened. You invite God to transform what was meant to break you into what builds you. So get ready, because today, we're not just talking about forgiveness as an idea. We're talking about a lifestyle shift, a divine reset, and a healing that will absolutely change how you see yourself, your pain, and your faith.